Hello, and welcome to Cooper Lighting's WaveLinx Wireless Programming Remote overview. The WaveLinx Programming Remote is an infrared remote that streamlines the processes that installers or setup technicians use to test device functionality and quickly change programming parameters to allow for more efficient commissioning. This device is compatible with WaveLinx Pro systems running version 11 or later. The WaveLinx Programming Remote has 12 buttons. If a device is not currently paired with a WAC, the Pair button places the device into pairing mode to search for a WAC. If a device is in pairing mode, the Disable Pair button deactivates pairing mode and prevents the device from continuing to search for a WAC. If a device is already paired with a WAC, the Reverse Identify button will cause the device to identify itself in the WaveLinx mobile app. For advanced setup technicians programming zones with many devices, the Point Guard button will allow up to 5 devices to be set as point guards to streamline communications. The Low Sensitivity button places the selected occupancy sensor into low sensitivity mode to assist with preventing false triggers from activity outside the desired area. The High Sensitivity button places the selected occupancy sensor into high sensitivity mode to assist with capturing motion activity further from the sensor. The Occ Test button places the selected sensor into test mode to allow for validation of individual sensor occupancy detection. If the sensor is assigned to perform open-loop daylighting, the OLDL Test button will trigger the wireless area controller to enter test mode, during which daylight transitions are accelerated to allow for daylight function verification. For sensors not associated with an open-loop daylight set, the CLDL on-off button will enable or disable the sensor's closed-loop daylight function. The DL raise and DL lower buttons adjust the daylight dimming response of the selected open-loop or closed-loop daylight sensor. Closed-loop and open-loop daylight sensors will have the desired light level adjusted up or down in 5% increments. The ID Test button allows for a quick visual check of functionality from the sensor to the fixture's LED array by causing the light to cycle on and off for 15 seconds, regardless of paired state and programming. ID Test can also be used to reset a sensor back to factory defaults without the need to power cycle. For more information on all of these functions, please reference the WaveLinx Pro user manual. However, I would like to highlight one important feature, and this is using the ID Test button to issue a factory reset. This feature can be very beneficial in situations where you can't afford to power cycle an entire circuit or group of devices. To use this function, first stand directly below the sensor and point the remote at the sensor lens. Press the ID Test button 6 times within 10 seconds. The sensor's LED will flash blue 1 time with each button press before resuming normal LED operation. Note that the first button press will still trigger the ID Test function, cycling the light on and off for 15 seconds. The sensor will then factory reset and return to out-of-the-box behavior. Note that the ambient integrated sensor model SWPD1 is excluded from this function. This concludes the WaveLinx Pro Remote General Overview.